subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Honor has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Play series in China called Honor Play 30M. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the smartphone. The Honor Play 30M features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 20:1 aspect ratio. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU, and it packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Honor Play 30M supports a dual camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 13MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box with Magic Gear 5.0 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.66 by 75.13 by 8.68mm, and it weighs around 194 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor Play 30M has been priced in China at 1,299 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black, titanium silver, and aurora blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Honor Play 30M smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.